TYPHON Stomp in action. Power meets portability, wheeled skid steer loader, 22.1 horsepower Honda engine. Built for small projects. Navigate tight spaces with ease. Multitasking beast, drill. Dig, grab, bulldoze. 22.1 horsepower GX690 engine equals smooth, reliable, and maintenance friendly. Easy for anyone. Effortless operation for all skill levels. Comes with bucket, toolbox, and digital manual for instant use. Strong yet compact 1830 pounds loader with 830 pounds lift capacity and up to 5.5 kilometers per hour speed. Perfect for any site. Gardens, farms, orchards, public spaces, and small construction zones. TYPHON Stomp, choose durability, choose versatility.